Alam niyo ba itong kantang to? Siyempre. Para sa mga na-friend zone. If you know the song, if you love it, come on, sing along with me. Two old friends who meet again, wearing older faces, and talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts who fell apart so very long ago. How are they to know? Come on, sing with me. So baby, everybody, we have a need for more than reminiscence. Dapat sa inyo naman. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. May mas malakas pa ba dyan? Dito na sa she's back in this time. Memorize, wait. It's alright. Maybe this time love won't end. Thank you guys for singing with me. Behave lang mo, Derek. Behave ka lang, mamaya pa yun. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the way that I played that way. They were too young to know when love is free. But somehow some things never change. And even time has moved the flame. It's better even brighter than it did before. Yeah! Maraming salamat po. Palakpakan niyo naman yung mga sarili ninyo dahil nakipag-sing along kayo together with me. Thank you so much.
Shout out tayo Zumba buddies sa tanang mga humihiling Zumba rin malayo daw sila unya.
Yeah, of course. Of course. Sasayaw tayo mamaya. Alright, we'll give you another song guys. Sa lahat na gusto magsumaya ngayong gabi.